hapon, Pilipinas. This is El Nido, Palawan. This is their center. Come on. The beauty of their nation. They have a lot of food stalls here. And look at the backdrop. That beautiful mountain. Dito naman sila lamang for Coron. I just love it. Try to look at the map. Kakatapos lang natin magsumba. And thanking the Lord for everything, all the blessings, for all the blessings He's given us. Let's enjoy now the town of El Nido. Join me again. They have tours there. And they have a lot of stalls here. Busy yung commercial nila dito sa El Nido, Palawan. Let's continue, guys. Magandang hapon, Pilipinas. All the way here from El Nido, Palawan.